Alex, this is what I need for you to do. I'm changing this from a half bath to a full bath. I'm knocking this wall out. Just need to put a shower right there. Shower right there, and I'm also moving this and putting a stackable unit right there. That's it. And I'm also swapping out the toilet, the actual toilet and the stuff upstairs. So let me show you this real quick. Just swapping everything out. Putting in a new tub, new toilet, new vanity. I'm pulling a permit on everything. And if you got a good towel guy, I might give you guys a towel work too. That's it.